You don't have the time to read the books you love. You always had a love-hated relationship with books. Hated term books, but you had to. Do you want to read books in a day or two? If yes, then I've brought a perfect solution for you. Now I know many of you have a list of books which is taller than you that you want to finish in a week, month or a year. On the other hand, when you see your calendar, you found that you have a very less time to finish those books. Reading is the most incredible habit that everyone should have in their life. Let me ask you, why do you read a book? Do you want to get entertained? Or do you want to learn new information and grow? Or do you want to find a new ideas on how to improve your life? The closer you get clarity on your vision for why you are reading a book, the more likely you're gonna be a successful reader. I'm gonna share some incredible insight from the world famous people about the book. Warren Buffett says he spent 5 to 6 hours a day reading 5 newspapers. Bill Gates reads 50 to 60 books in a year that majorly about the health, finance, technology, softwares. Mark Zuckerberg read a book about culture, society and their background to improve and grow in his space. Mark Cuban says he reads a book about to learn new industries. So there's a plenty of reason why you should read a book. Now, before I walk you through a way to finish a book in a day or two, I want to talk about the biggest mistake we make while reading books. In order to understand the concept of book, we need to read the page to page, cover to cover, which is not necessary. It's more likely to go into any store to get the things you need. So it is not necessary that you need to visit each and every section of the store. You can simply walk up to the section, the things you are looking for, and pick up the things that you need. That is the simplest and quickest way to get the things you need. This is exactly I'm gonna do here on my channel. Now, I'm not gonna teach you any new technique that's gonna take another year to learn and to practice. I'm gonna share you all the treasure from the books. I will share the essential part of the books so that you will understand the core principle of the author without even investing a week, month or year. Finishing a book is nowhere near as important as actually learning from it or gaining from it. Remember, you don't need to drag yourself to read the whole book or to finish the book by reading cover to cover, page to page. You can grab as much as information you need just by watching 5 to 7 minutes of video. That will help you to decide whether you need to spend your whole time to read the whole book or not. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video right now. I hope you will learn insight from the world famous incredible books all together. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified by the new videos as soon as I launch. Press the like button and share your thought in the comment below. See you soon.